Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Keystone, Montana High Country 385 mid-bunk. So the Keystone, Montana High Country is not a traditional Keystone, Montana. It's about $40,000 less MSRP. Less features, but also less price. But what I love about this unit is it's an awesome rear living room unit with a middle bunk. Let's take a look at the inside. And while we do, let's stop and take a look at not one, but 2 power awnings with LED lights and this awesome outside kitchen. To get an outside kitchen on a mid bunk is very unique, special and different. Let's go in on the inside. Inside, this is unlike any traditional bunkhouse fifth wheel that you've ever seen. It's a rear living mid bunk. We have theater seats right here directly across from the TV. A very nice sofa right here with storage all the way around. Right over here, we have very nice solid surface countertops. Decent sized kitchen with a really big refrigerator. Right over there is your table and chairs. No carpet in the slide out. I love the weather mat material right there. And then here's what makes it special. A mid-bunk room that's also convertible into an office. I love this. Right here we got the sofa, nice window, and then look at this. This is your pantry space, but I like how they gave you this little office setup. You can mount a TV there, or it's good for your laptop, or even a regular PC computer, whatever you like to do. And then above this is a loft area. If you show this for us, please. And then right over here is your bathroom. Nice one-piece fiberglass shower, good toilet, and a sink right there. And then to wrap it all up, we got a king-size bed in the master bedroom. Dresser drawers right here, plenty of TV space right there so you can get a nice big TV. Really huge closet, and it is prepped for a stackable washer and dryer, making this an awesome, awesome bunkhouse fifth wheel. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of this unit, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, click that link down below and a member of my team will reach out to you guys and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.